Hello guys, and today in this video it was requested to do a nose tutorial, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So you'll just need a pencil and a rubber for this video. So one thing you never do with noses, if you never draw two lines like this for the nose, you never do that. You can shade that area to make it darker, but you never draw that. The first thing you need to draw is like a C, a little curve there, and then another one here. So like two brackets. Then here, you draw another curve, and the same on the other side. Then you draw down like this for the bottom of the nose. So that's like a basic shape. Then you would usually shade underneath like this to make it darker. And obviously instead of drawing lines, you can just shade a bit upwards and blend it with your finger. You can't really see it, you just have to keep going over. Not drawing lines, just gently shading down. Like that. So that's kind of like a basic nose, but you could draw noses bigger. So you could draw, if someone has a big nose, let's say, or if you're doing more close up, you can draw it bigger like that. But it's still the same basic shape. Well, this is more like a realistic nose, but if you're doing like a cartoon nose, like some people just do a line, a dot, and a dot. But if you do realistic, that's usually how you do it. And then again, you would just like shade upwards. And obviously you can do more shading, you know, on the nose. But like for the basic shape, that's basically what you do. You basically just draw bracket, bracket, curve, curve, undercurve, shade, shade, shade. So that's your nose tutorial. Quick and easy. I'll be back next week with another tutorial.